4.2 turbo diesel this, and it's been hotted up too. You'll see the soot blowing out of it. You see how tyres. Phil's car seems to have had a little misfire issue all weekend. Tell you what, it's still going good enough to be leading the points at the moment. So the diesel doing the back and turn. Phil, he's taking in one turn. On the horn, letting you know that he's there. He wants to pass. Phil's the boys in the diesel say, no way, we're getting through anyway. Tell you what, chasing that diesel down, it'd almost be like a little bit of a smoke screen, wouldn't it? See the way it lights up those 37-inch tyres. No problems there. Boys hook in around the corner. They'll be back through the over the tyres. Go a little bit more to the right. You can see that big rock sticking up on the right inside line. The rock is taking that inside to the right line. He's keeping it tight. No worries there. He's made an absolute dash to the finish line. Slide around, that's the pull-up. How good is that, guys? Give him a round of applause. Also for Big Phil, he's still making his way around, no dramas. He'll be up and over these rocks, putting his lockers to good use. Those big 37-inch traps biting into the rocks. Phil's also running the automatic transmission, giving plenty of control.